Good morning, everyone. How are you today? Fine, excellent. As you remember, we are working with the simple future. So to start this lesson, I'm going to show you an image about how I imagine the cars will be in 2046. So this is it. And now I invite you to work in pairs and then observe this image and think and write some questions you would like to ask me about this car. For example, how does it start, and the speed, the materials, whatever you want. You have 5 minutes to do it. So time's up, and now it's your turn, and you have to ask me some of the questions you wrote. I'm going to write these questions in the blackboard so we can categorize each one. So, your questions are: will the car fly? Will the car be fast? Will the car use gasoline? Will the car be expensive? Will the car use electric energy? Will the car be cheap? Then we can organize the questions in the next categories: movement, price, and full. Next, we are going to use Popplet to organize our ideas. For example, in the center we have the future car features, and one of them is movement, and we have a subcategory is fast, fly. The next subcategory is price. Is it expensive? Is it cheap? Finally, we have about fuel. For example, it uses gasoline. Is it use electric energy? In the next activity, I'm going to invite you to think about how the houses will be in the future. Then you have to think about at least 4 features and create your own mind map. To do this, I'm going to provide you a template. It's like this, and I'm going to suggest to talk about the security, technology, materials, and rooms. But remember, you can change this and talk about whatever you want. I'm going to share this template with you via email or Facebook, or you can copy and paste this link so you can use this template to create your own mind map. I'm going to ask you to work in pairs, and please remember, if you know how to use Popplet, you have to choose someone who doesn't, so you can do it in a better way. Remember, you have 15 minutes to complete this task. Sorry, but again, time's up. Well, now that you know how to use Popplet, you have to use it again, but now you have to do it for yourself. So every one of you have to take your own computer and then think about this new topic. The new topic is the cell phones. How do you think the cell phones will be in the 2046, in 30 years? How do you think? You can think about the shape, maybe the applications, the materials, whatever you want. Then you have to do exactly the same process we did previously. You have to think, and then you have to identify some related subtopics, and then you have to create your own mind map. Pay attention, because at the end you have to share this mind map, and a partner, a classmate, are going to give you some feedback. Oh, I almost forgot, you have 15 minutes to complete this task. Sorry again, but time's over. Well, now that you finished your work, it's time to share with some classmate. This classmate is going to give you some feedback, and obviously you have to give feedback to others. Well, remember, you have to do a positive feedback. How to do this? Well, we have to use some patterns. Which one? Well, remember, you can use I like this part, or maybe I suggest to change this part, or maybe you can improve your word if you, and you have to complete. So you have 10 minutes to make some reviews and then to type some feedback, right?